Hey, welcome to my channel Mount Editing. Here are some examples before and after videos. Please read this notice carefully, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. You can use this LUT in VN and Premiere Pro. I will show you how to use this LUT in VN. Let's start. Open folder in File Manager. Select Cube extension and import it in VN Editor. Open VN and select New Project. Import the video which you want to color grading. Filters optional, just apply filter on video.